Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back. Hope all's been well with you guys. Today we're going to be working on installing this fuel tank skid from Cali raised. I'm kind of doing these all in pieces. So I did the front skid. We're going to do this gas tank skid, and then we're going to do the transmission and the transfer case skid. I'm kind of doing them in a way that makes sense, because the first thing I would do, me personally, I would switch out this front skid because the OEM skid is garbage. The next thing I'd probably want to protect more is the gas tank, and then everything else is just icing on the cake in my opinion. It's all important to protect. I just went this way because I feel like that's the order I wanted to go in. In the last video I mentioned that I was going all aluminum with all of these skid plates. This is an aluminum skid plate. You can go steel. Steel's going to be a lot stronger, and it's going to give you that if you land on something it'll slide off. With aluminum, if you land on something it'll stick. It has a stickiness to it. Steel, you land on something and it'll just slide off. But I went with aluminum because I wanted to save the weight. I don't really need to be sliding off stuff. I don't need the rigidity of steel. I just need something better than the stock one. Should be pretty quick. It's only 4 bolts. And yeah, let's just go grab that really quick. All you're going to need for this is a 12 mil, and that's pretty much it. So underneath there is one here, one over here, one in the back down here, and one over there. Only 4 bolts. That's pretty much it. If you're wondering, the gas tank is plastic. So those 4 nuts, I thought they were bolts. They're nuts. You're just going to keep them because you're going to reuse them in a little bit. Let's take a look at these skid plates. So this is the OEM skid that comes on your fuel tank. It is plastic, full ass plastic. With the new skid, of course, it's all metal. Should be pretty easy. We just gotta lift it up and then reinstall those nuts. We'll be smooth sailing. So we're just gonna waddle our way under. This of course would be easier if you had a friend and a lift. We're just gonna go ahead and lift it in. Line up these holes. And that's in. So here is what the skid looks like on. Nice. Whoa, crows are going crazy right now. I hope you guys found this informative. I hope to help you guys out with the install if you're looking for an install video. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty easy. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concern, leave them down below. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. If you guys want to see more of this stuff, there's going to be a lot more installs coming. Or if you want to see some trail videos, we're going to be going on a trail this weekend. Stay tuned. Hit that subscription button. And if you guys like this stuff, make sure to hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.